Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a watermark position in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor, select File option and select an Open. Now select Organize option and select your watermark option. Again select Add Watermark and this text watermark box and type your watermark name, type your position and rotational share 45. See this, and this watermark position is horizontal. First let's change this unit and make it inch, and horizontal position also change this watermark size and make it 70. As horizontal position you can change it left, and see this is right position, and this is center, and this is vertical position you can make it top. See this, you can make it bottom and make it center, and you can change custom layer water position and make it change horizontal position 1 inch and vertical position 1 inch. See this, again I'll make it 0 0, I make it right, and this is top. See this, and select your page range here and simply select OK, and see this our watermark position now since in this you can see the watermark position in your PDF file, and finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.